How to delete videos on Rednote app. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, let's learn how to delete a Rednote video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Rednote on your device. Tap on the Me tab available at the bottom. Your Rednote profile will open up. Now locate the video that you want to delete. For your information, under the Post tab, you will find all the videos you have uploaded on Rednote. You can also find videos in the Collects tab if you have created any collection. As you can see, I have uploaded one video to my Rednote profile, and this is the video I want to delete. Single tap on the video to open it, then tap on the three horizontal dots available at the top right corner. A menu will appear from the bottom. Swipe left through the available options until you find the delete option. Once you find delete, tap on it. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you are sure about deleting your note. For your information, Rednote refers to videos as notes, so don't get confused. Finally, tap OK to confirm, and boom! You have successfully deleted your Rednote video. That's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.